Automation Anywhere's latest .36 release is here, packed with powerful updates. Let's dive into the top 5 features that will elevate your automation experience, from game-changing innovations to key enhancements. Are you ready to see how this release can transform your automations? Let's go! Starting with number 5, License Dashboard in Automation Command Center. This is your hub for managing and analyzing license usage, giving real-time insights into license utilization across both bot runners and bot creators. Bot runner usage is grouped into 4 buckets: unused, low, medium, and high. You can dive into user-level data and export it into a CSV for deeper analysis. You can easily track attended and unattended bot usage over time, like the last 24 hours, 7 days, or even 90 days, to spot trends and optimize performance. If something seems off, like unused licenses, you can quickly investigate and take action. The license utilization widget keeps it all clear. You can see how many licenses you have purchased, how many are available, and how they're being used across users and control room instances. So you can stay efficient and get the most from your investment. If you're curious about how your bot creators are using their licenses, this widget shows logins, bot builds, and check-in checkout activity, giving you a quick view of team engagement and productivity. Next one is number 4, Invoke Automation Cloud Service via web triggers. Starting with .35 release, you could trigger bot tasks and processes via web triggers. Now, with .36, you can also trigger Automation Cloud Service, that is API tasks, letting you run automations in real time based on events from popular SaaS applications. It currently supports 5 major platforms with more on the way, and helps you respond faster and boost efficiency across your operations. Alright, moving on to number 3, File Stream Support in Automation Cloud Service, also known as API tasks. We have added support for XML, SharePoint, and Microsoft 365 Outlook packages on top of REST and OneDrive packages which were supported earlier. That means more flexibility for file-heavy automations in the cloud. You may ask, why does it matter? Many automations involve file handling. This update makes it easier to process files, boost collaboration, and shift workloads from on-prem to the cloud seamlessly. Let's take a quick example. If you have to grab a file from OneDrive, SharePoint, or Outlook, you can now read it into memory, pass it through your workflow, and even update XML files before sending them off to the next system of record. Moving on to number 2, Document Automation Testing Capability. Test mode lets developers experiment with different OCR providers, generative AI options, prompts, and validation feedback, all within learning instances. It's a great way to fine-tune settings and track changes for better transparency and repeatability. Version history gives you a clear timeline of changes made to the learning instance, what changed, when, and why, so you always have the full context. You can even compare data extraction results from different learning instance versions side by side to see which one works best and then promote the best fit to production. If you have tried different settings but liked an earlier version better, no problem. Just hit restore and it will bring that version back as the latest one and ready to use. And now, the number 1 feature in this release, AI Governance. It's also my personal favorite. We have introduced AI Guardrails, a robust governance framework that helps enterprises safely use generative AI while keeping data private and staying compliant. AI Guardrails has got you covered on both security and compliance. It kicks in during prompt processing, using smart tokenization to mask sensitive data, then restoring it after the response is received back. And the result? Accurate outputs with your fully data protection. Now, you have got the flexibility to create guardrail policies that fit your needs. You can choose to mask all data categories or just pick and choose the ones which you care about. It's totally up to you. With data masking, you are in full control. Choose from categories like PII, PCI, or PHI. Then decide how each value should be handled. Mask, anonymize, or even allow it with LLMs. It's fully customizable to match your data protection needs. AI governance logs all guardrail actions, including how data is masked. Based on your policy, you can see the original values before data is sent to the LLM and the responses that come back. It's a clear audit trail to help admins ensure compliance with data protection policies. And that's a wrap on the top 5 developer features in the .36 release. To learn more, check out our university portal for training and hands-on exercises to master these new features. Now it's your turn. Which feature in this release did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I am Arjun S. Mehta. Thanks for watching and go be great.